Look at that boat, look at that boat, pulling down the dock on a summer day. Heads start turning when she comes our way. Teak and ebony shining in the sun. Outbound's ready and the fun's begun. 3 staterooms, room for all your friends. Cruising the coastline where the adventure never ends. Twin cats rumbling, smooth and strong. This old girl got rebuilt to carry on. From Seattle waters to the islands beyond. Drop the lines, turn the music on. Look at that boat, look at that boat. Everybody staring at the marina party. Look at that shine riding the tide. She's got luxury and power side by side. Look at that boat, look at that boat. Fly bridge high and we're feeling mighty. Fish all day, cruise all night. Outbound's looking just right. Garmin screens lighting up the night. Radar and sonar got the course just right. Launch the tender, drop the crab pots down. King salmon dreams all around this town. Big cockpit ready for the catch of the day. Island hopping, we're headed away. Heat in the winter, cool in July. Comfort and adventure all rolled into one ride. She's got the room, she's got the style, makes every mile feel worthwhile. Built to fish, built to roam. Every harbor starts to feel like home. Look at that boat, look at that boat. Everybody dancing at the waterfront party. Look at that wake, watch her glide. The queen of the coast on an evening ride. Look at that boat, look at that boat. Classic lines and she's still a hottie. From the flybridge view to the ocean blue. Outbound's waiting just for you. Look at that boat, look at that boat. Outbound's ready. Let's go, boat.